Hello, guys. Welcome back to our journey to another amazing location in Abu Dhabi, Louvre Abu Dhabi. We are inviting you to a journey through art, history, and breathtaking architecture as we explore the Louvre Museum in Abu Dhabi. Car parking is free for visitors. The surrounding areas are maintained with good landscapes, and seaside view plays a vital role in enhancing the beauty of Dome. It is a world-class art museum located on Saadiyat Island in Abu Dhabi. Louvre Abu Dhabi is a modern architectural masterpiece designed by Jean Nouvel, featuring a floating dome with a rain of light effect. Building complex itself is amazing and categorized into 12 sections. It is the first universal museum in the Arab world, showcasing art and artifacts from various civilizations and cultures across history. The museum opened in 2017 as a part of a cultural agreement between UAE and France. Louvre Abu Dhabi features walkways and promenades surrounded by water, allowing visitors to enjoy the outdoor experience. The coastal breeze and shade from the dome create a comfortable environment even in the UAE's warm climate. This is a miniature model of Louvre Abu Dhabi. Everything is labeled in Arabic, French, and English. Louvre Abu Dhabi is located about 20 minutes from Abu Dhabi city center and 1 hour from Dubai via Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Highway E12. Museum timings can vary, but it usually starts at 10 am to 6:30 pm and closed on Mondays. Ticket price is around 63 dirhams for adults, and children under 18 can enter for free. Online booking and on-site booking are available. For more details, link is in the description. Unlike traditional museums that separate art by region, Louvre Abu Dhabi arranges its collection based on universal themes. Ancient Egyptian statues stand beside Greek sculptures, and European Renaissance paintings share space with Islamic manuscripts. This arrangement tells a powerful story, one that connects civilizations through time, showing how artistic ideas have traveled across borders and influenced cultures worldwide. The name Louvre comes from Musée du Louvre, located in Paris, France. It is the largest and most visited museum in the world, with over 35,000 artworks on display, including the infamous Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. The UAE has a 30 years agreement with France to use the name Louvre and received loan artworks from French museums. The Musée du Louvre is a historical former royal palace famous for its glass pyramid entrance. With over 600 permanent artworks and pieces loaned from France, every visit is a new experience. Whether you're an art lover or just looking for an unforgettable experience, this is a place that you cannot miss. Louvre Abu Dhabi is more than just a museum, it's an experience, a place where art, light, and architecture come together to tell the timeless story of humanity. Louvre Abu Dhabi houses permanent and temporary exhibits featuring artworks from around the world, including pieces by Leonardo da Vinci, Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, and ancient artifacts from Egypt, Greece, and Mesopotamia. This ever-changing light breathes lives into artworks, making every moment inside the museum a unique visual experience. Louvre Abu Dhabi is also a great place for families and kids, with interactive displays, workshops, and digital storytelling. Even young visitors can connect with history and creativity. Louvre Abu Dhabi is also known for activities like kayaking around the museum. Check out the official website. Louvre Abu Dhabi also offers guided tours to enhance your experience. Bags, food, and drinks are not allowed inside exhibition galleries. Louvre Abu Dhabi is just the beginning. It's a part of Abu Dhabi's vision to create a world-class cultural hub on Saadiyat Island. Let's talk about the architectural feats of Louvre Abu Dhabi. The dome is arranged in 8 layers, creating a rain of light effect as sunlight filters through. This pattern is inspired by the traditional Arabic mashrabia and mimics the way sunlight filters through palm trees. The dome is made up of 7,850 unique star-shaped patterns. The most striking feature of the Louvre Abu Dhabi is its massive dome, which is 180 meters in diameter. The museum appears to float on water, resembling an Arabian Medina. Water channels flow between the museum buildings, creating a tranquil atmosphere. This design represents the cultural fusion of land, sea, and sky. The museum consists of 55 low-lying white buildings inspired by the traditional Arab villages. The buildings have a modern yet timeless appearance, blending Islamic and contemporary architectural styles. This design isn't just for beauty, it naturally cools a space, reducing energy consumption. Now, that's a sustainable art. If you enjoy this virtual tour of the Louvre Abu Dhabi, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and let us know which museum you would like to visit next in the comments.